Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. Does Rocket Money work offline? Now, before we dive into that, let's take a step back and talk about what Rocket Money actually is. In short, it's a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, find ways to save money, and negotiate bills. It's a pretty powerful tool, but it does rely on an internet connection to work. So, what does that mean for offline users? Rocket Money does not work offline. However, there are a few things you can do to make the most of the app even if you don't have internet access. First, you can still track your spending manually. This can be a bit tedious, but it's a good way to stay on top of your finances. Second, you can use Rocket Money to set up alerts for upcoming bills. This way, you'll be reminded to pay them on time, even if you're not online. Finally, you can use Rocket Money to find ways to save money on your bills. For example, you can use the app to compare prices from different providers or to find discounts and coupons. So, is Rocket Money worth it if you don't have internet access? That's a tough question to answer. If you're looking for a comprehensive personal finance app that you can use offline, then Rocket Money probably isn't the right choice for you. However, if you're just looking for a way to track your spending and find ways to save money, then the app can still be helpful, even without an internet connection. Rocket Money is a great app for people who want to take control of their finances. However, it does require an internet connection to work. If you don't have internet access, there are still some ways to use the app, but it won't be as comprehensive as it is online. So, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching.